Let's be real. You don't have a focus problem. You have a distraction addiction. Every time you sit down to do something important, your brain pulls the same trick. Check your phone, open another tab, scroll for just a second, and before you notice it, another hour of your life is gone. And the craziest part? You don't even feel bad about it anymore. You've just accepted that this is how it is. But it's not. Your focus isn't broken. It's just being ripped away from you, piece by piece. The reason you can't focus isn't because you're lazy or lack discipline. It's because your brain is drowning in cheap dopamine. Every notification, every quick scroll, every "let me just check this real quick" moment, it's all feeding your brain tiny hits of dopamine. And the problem? Your brain loves easy dopamine way more than actual work. See, the focus isn't just about willpower, it's about competition. Your brain is currently stuck in a war between instant gratification and deep work. And guess what? The distractions are winning. Why? Because they're designed to. Think about it. When you sit down to work or study, what's the first thing that happens? Your mind starts searching for an escape. You suddenly remember that one thing you needed to check, or you get hit with this unbearable urge to just open your phone for a second. That's not random, that's conditioning. Apps, social media, notifications, they're engineered to pull you in and keep you there. Every beep, vibration, and red notification bubble is like a slot machine, rewarding your brain with a tiny dopamine rush. And before you know it, you've trained yourself to crave these distractions more than actual progress. And here's the real kicker. Your brain doesn't even feel guilty about it anymore. Back in the day when you procrastinated, you at least felt bad about it. You knew you were wasting time. But now, you just accept it as normal. Everyone's distracted. Everyone's scrolling. Everyone's always plugged in. But here's what nobody tells you. Your attention is being stolen from you. Every second you spend mindlessly switching between tasks, checking notifications, and getting sucked into the endless scroll, someone else is profiting. Tech companies, advertisers, social media platforms, they're all fighting for your attention, and they're winning. And the cost? Your time, your ability to think deeply, your ability to sit with a problem and actually solve it. Ever notice how you can't even watch a movie without reaching for your phone? Or how you can't sit in silence without feeling uncomfortable? That's because your brain is addicted to stimulation. It needs a constant hit of something, anything, to keep it entertained. And if you don't break that cycle, you'll never be able to focus long enough to actually do anything meaningful. This is why sitting down to work feels physically painful. Not because the work is hard, but because your brain is going through withdrawal. You've trained it to expect instant gratification, and when it doesn't get it, it starts freaking out. But here's the truth. Your focus isn't broken. You just haven't given it a chance to work properly. And if you want to fix it, you don't need more motivation. You don't need fancy productivity hacks. You don't need to try harder. What you need is a reset. A way to rewire your brain so it actually wants to focus instead of running away from it. So, how do you do that? How do you actually sit down, lock in, and stay locked in? Simple. You have to starve your distractions before they starve you. Step 1, cut off the supply. If you want to regain control of your focus, you need to starve the distractions. Right now, your brain is like an addict, constantly looking for the next dopamine hit. And just like overcoming any addiction, the first step is removal. Let's be real. You're not going to willpower your way out of this. If your phone is next to you, you'll check it. If notifications are on, you'll open them. If you keep telling yourself, "I'll just take a quick break," you'll be gone for an hour. So stop giving yourself the option. 1. Turn off all notifications. Not some all. Nothing should light up your phone except actual emergencies. 2. Put your phone in another room. Not in your pocket. Not face down on your desk. Physically remove it. 3. Use website blockers. If you keep ending up on YouTube, Instagram, or some random forum, block them when you're supposed to be working. Make it annoying to access distractions. 4. Delete the worst offenders. If you're constantly opening TikTok without thinking, maybe it's time to nuke the app completely. If that sounds painful, that's precisely why you need to do it. The goal isn't to limit distractions, it's to eliminate them. You can't focus when you have 1,000 open tabs fighting for your attention. Step 2. Rewire your brain for deep work. Once you remove distractions, the real work begins retraining your brain to focus. Right now, your brain is used to constant stimulation. You've conditioned yourself to expect easy, instant rewards. So when you try to focus on something that actually requires effort, your brain resists. To fix this, you need to make deep work your new normal. Here's how. 1. Start small. If your focus is wrecked, don't expect to lock in for 3 hours right away. Start with 20 minutes of uninterrupted work. No breaks, no switching tasks, just 20 minutes of pure focus. 2. Use the boredom rule. When you feel the urge to check your phone, don't. Sit in the discomfort. Let your brain relearn how to be bored. Over time, that discomfort fades. 3. Train yourself with analog tasks. Reading a book, writing on paper, doing anything that forces your brain to stay in one place. Digital distractions kill your attention span. Analog tasks rebuild it. 4. Make focus a habit. You can't just try to focus when you feel like it. You need a system. Work at the same time each day, in the same place, under the same conditions. Routine beats motivation every time. Step 3. Make focus more rewarding than distraction. Your brain chases whatever feels best. Right now, distractions feel fun, and easy work feels boring and hard. To flip that, you need to attach rewards to deep work. 1. Gamify it. Track how many minutes you can stay locked in without distraction. Try to beat your previous best. Make focus a challenge. 2. Stack it with something enjoyable. Hate writing reports? Do it with your favorite coffee. Studying sucks? Play music you love in the background. Pair boring tasks with something pleasurable. 3. Give yourself real rewards. Focused for an hour? Cool. Take a guilt-free break. Finished your deep work? Go do something fun, completely distraction-free. The key is to train your brain to associate focus with something positive. Because once that happens, you won't need discipline. You'll actually want to focus. Right now, you're either controlling your focus or letting distractions control you. There is no in-between. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to throw your phone off a cliff and become a productivity monk. You just need to start eliminating distractions, retraining your brain, and making deep work rewarding. Most people will never fix this. They'll keep scrolling, keep switching tasks, and keep wondering why they can't focus. But you know the truth now. So the only question left is, what are you going to do about it?